In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export with transparent background for overlays in Canva. If you've ever needed a logo, lower third, or graphic that sits cleanly on top of videos or images without a white box around it, this is exactly what you want. We'll walk through the export process in Canva so your design keeps only what you see and drops everything else to true transparency. Start by opening Canva. Once you're in, open your design. This can be anything: your logo, a badge, a watermark, or a title card. A quick note before we export. Transparency only makes the empty parts of your canvas see-through. If you've added a solid background color or a full bleed shape, that will remain visible. So make sure the areas you want to be see-through don't have any shapes or colors covering them. When your design is ready, head to the top right and click Share. This is where Canva keeps all of the output options. From the Share panel, choose Download. That takes you to the export settings. For file type, select PNG. This is important because PNG supports transparent backgrounds. Formats like JPG do not. Sticking with PNG ensures your overlay will look clean on top of videos, slides, or streams without any unwanted background. Next, enable transparent background. If you don't see the toggle, or it's grayed out, that feature may require a paid plan. Assuming it's available, switch it on to remove the canvas background while keeping your design elements intact. If your project has multiple pages, choose the specific page or pages you want to export. For a single-page design, you're all set. For multi-page designs, selecting only the page you need will keep your download quick and organized. Before you finalize, review your export settings. Check the size slider to confirm the resolution you want. For overlays, keeping the original size usually preserves crisp edges, especially around text and logos. You can also look at any quality or compression options available. Lighter files load faster, but too much compression can create artifacts around semi-transparent edges. When everything looks right, click Download. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your device. Larger designs might take a moment, so don't worry if there's a brief delay. That's it. Open Design, Share, Download, choose PNG, enable transparent background, select your page, review settings, and download. If your exported image still shows a solid block behind it, double-check your design layers to make sure no shapes or colors are covering the canvas. Enjoy your clean, professional overlays.